Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to draw the mystery box on AG games, on the AG party games. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need go to the mystery box menu like this, and after that you need to prepare for the 100 like this, okay, and you can click the mystery box like that, and then you can choose you can choose a mystery box from the left, okay, on over here, and I will choose like this, and let's see what I got. Waiting for a second, and okay, I got the clothes like this, and then you can click done. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.